Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable credit card payments in Lowe's account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable credit card payments in your Lowe's account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Lowe's official website by typing in the URL. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option, usually located in the top right corner. Click on sign in and enter your login credentials. After logging in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found under your account name or in the drop-down menu. In the account settings, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on Payment Methods to view all saved payment options. Locate the credit card you wish to disable. Next to the credit card information, you should see an option to delete or disable the card. Click on this option to remove the credit card from your account. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to disable the credit card payment method. After confirmation, the credit card should no longer be linked to your account. To ensure the changes are effective, refresh the Payment Methods page. You should see that the credit card no longer appears in your payment options. Now you have successfully disabled credit card payments in your Lowe's account. If you experience any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Lowe's customer service for assistance. That's it. You've completed the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.